Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives and Simone at Grubb's Family of Dealerships, and today we're going to go for a drive in the 2025 Acura MDX Type S with Advanced package. I already have a video on the Type S Advanced for a quick test drive, but I want to get a more comprehensive point of view, so let's get to it. So this is the most expensive new Acura you can purchase, obviously, other than the ZDX Type S, and this is like the flagship Acura product right now, the Type S Advance, new for the 2025. Of course, you have the touchscreen with built-in Google Maps, built-in Google Assistant. You also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Really nice screen, it's super easy to use. Obviously with the Type S you have air suspension, lift, snow, comfort, normal, and sport. You can see the suspension lowering right there. You have the massage seats in this model, and you have a head-up display, digital gauge cluster, heated steering wheel. You have the Bang & Olufsen 31 speaker sound system. Before, in the pre-facelift, is the 25 speaker ELS Studio 3D Signature Edition sound system. And the speaker grills in the Type S are black. On all the other models they're silver. It's pretty cool. I like it's like black chrome, which is nice. And you have some beautiful open pore wood trim. This is the red interior, and it's really nice. What do you think of this interior?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful colorway, black on red.
Great car.
Great car.
And now you have Type S embroidered into the headrest over there, which wasn't there before, so that's a good thing. This vehicle has an MSRP of $76,900. Looks really good. Those are the new wheels for the 2025 MDX Type S. 4-piston red Brembo brake calipers, quad outlet exhaust. This vehicle is available at Grubb's Acura in Grapevine, Texas. Check the link in the description below if you're interested in the 2025 MDX or any other new Acura. You can check it out at Grubb's Acura. The massage seats are nice. You have 9 modes. I like the shiatsu pressure motion, it's good. And also the lower back is nice too. And this car has the 3-liter turbo V6 with 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque with the 10-speed automatic transmission. But yeah, I have a ton of videos on the 2025 MDX on my channel if you're a regular viewer. And I love the new MDX, and I love the Google integration is one of my favorite parts. I love Google Maps, and that's the only map software I use, or app. So I'm really glad you have it integrated into the system. It's pretty awesome. So as you can see, this vehicle is pretty quick. Really quick acceleration. The transmission in the Type S is faster than the regular models. In Sport Plus, the suspension's all the way to the lowest setting for sportier driving. And the Type S Advance, you know, you cannot get this car confused with like a really high performance SUV with like 500, like an X5M. It's not the same. This car is a very luxurious and comfortable SUV with a really aggressive styling and the nice brand recognition of Type S. But this is not supposed to rival like an X5M or something like that. I mean, 350, this car is fast. That's the thing. It's a fast, luxurious SUV. Right? But it's not meant to be like a track weapon or something like that, which is what you can't confuse this vehicle with, and that's why it's priced where it's priced. For example, like a lot of people compared this car to you know, a GLE 63 AMG or a X5M or something, but those cars are well into the $100,000s. This is a $76,000, $900 car, right? And I think, and this car has been very popular since it came out. I've liked it. I've always liked it since it came out. It's awesome. It's awesome. And customers really love the car. Oh yeah, and I did forget to mention the Type S, the seats have the suede in them now. They didn't before, because now the A-Spec and the Advanced packages, I mean not the A-Spec, the A-Spec Advanced and the Advanced packages have the seats from the previous Type S, the cross-stitch pattern. So this one does too, but now to differentiate it is you have the Type S embroidered in the headrest, and you also have the suede bolsters. You see that? I mean, this car is pretty quick and handles really well for its size, especially in Sport Plus. I would love to have an MDX Type S as a awesome daily driving vehicle. It's enjoyable to drive. And the middle row has heated seats in this vehicle. Just a quick U-turn here. And you also have a 360-degree camera system. Nice. And I really like the air suspension. I think it's really cool. You can access Google Maps right from the screen. You don't even have to like connect your phone or anything for Google Maps right there, which is nice. And then if you scroll through your menus on the gauge cluster, you can pull up the Google Map and it'll take over one of the gauges if you want to do that. So if you have navigation, you can see it easily in your point of view right in front of you, which is nice. If you hit this little button, you can access the 360 camera. It'll show you 360 bird's eye view, see in front of the car, and you can also do this where it'll show you like your blind spots, but you have to be below a certain speed. If you go above a certain speed, it'll disappear. Like you can't have that on while driving for safety reasons. Yeah, I mean, you put your foot down, this car will fly. Give you whatever, as much pickup as you need to get ahead of traffic or get onto a highway on-ramp, whatever you want to do. It'll get you what, it'll do what you need it to do. Yeah, concluding thoughts, I absolutely love the new 2025 MDX. I've been a huge fan of the Type S, and this facelifted Type S is fantastic. I love the new front fascia on the car. I love the touchscreen. It's all really nice.
Open concept in the middle now.
Yeah, and there's no touchpad anymore, so there's a lot of freed up space over here. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. Thank you.